Introduction. Between the stress of success and the agony of defeat, sitting with the fans during a football game is enough to raise your blood pressure. It's not just like the 120 decibels of cheering that lure you to gorge. There are also the greasy hot dogs and salty chips. The ancient Greeks would have had a much different experience at games than we do today, as they had a healthy eating culture. They ate lots of fresh vegetables and fruits, nuts, beans and legumes, wheat bread, olive oil, and rarely meat or dairy products. Have you heard of the DASH diet? The DASH diet is a nutritional plan that emphasizes eating many fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while limiting your intake of fat, salt, and sugar. It is a plan for lowering hypertension and reducing the overall risk of heart disease and diabetes. You may be wondering, how is the DASH diet good for people with diabetes? This is not a diet that will cure your diabetes. However, it can be beneficial for managing your blood sugar levels and keeping them in a manageable range. Do you want to start a low-sodium diet and still enjoy the foods that you like? If so, then this diet is for you. The DASH diet is a great low-sodium diet, and it can help you eat the foods that you love while still lowering your sodium intake to very low levels. Maybe you're tired of trying different diets, exercising, and still not getting the results you want. This diet is very effective for helping people lose weight, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and even control their blood sugar levels. The DASH diet is one of the most popular diets in the world today. This plan has helped millions of Americans improve their cardiovascular health through foods that are nutritionally dense with healthy fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. As the founder of Nook and Nourish, I have been a victim of hypertension and high blood pressure for the last 17 years and would like to share my knowledge about the DASH diet. It has been a game changer for me by helping lower my blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as well as improving my heart health. Helping you reduce your hypertension levels and risk of diabetes matters to me. I'm here to provide you with the tools that will help you with your health journey. This book approaches this diet plan from a perspective of enjoying the foods that you love and lowering your hypertension and blood sugar levels to live a happier and more fulfilled life. It will encourage victims of hypertension and diabetes to stick with a meal plan not only until their symptoms subside, but continually for their entire life journey. We'll cover common DASH diet questions and address health concerns, compare other diets, and provide a printable food journal to get a better understanding of what you eat on a daily and weekly basis. Written in an easy-to-understand language, this 28-day action plan is packed with information that will help you implement this diet in your everyday life. Great recipes for diets like these can sometimes be hard to find. I've included 50 delicious recipes for you in this book, and you can easily find all the ingredients at your local grocery store. I've also added dairy alternatives for our lactose-intolerant friends, so make sure that you take the time to review them and then get cooking. I urge you to get out there and start using the DASH diet plan. You'll be surprised by the benefits that you'll get from one of the best diets in existence. Some may call it a labor of love, but this book represents my journey toward good health. I want to share with you all that I've learned about this plan. Enough with failing diets, expensive gym memberships, and endless exercise programs. It's time to clean up your diet, start eating a low-sodium meal, and make your health a priority. Get out of your comforter and get excited about living a healthier lifestyle. Who knows, you might fall in love with the diet plan so much that you'll consider making it your lifestyle. Start thinking about what your body needs to get healthy and enjoy the food that you love. For more tips and free recipes, please visit www.nookandnourish.com.